Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. So in today's video, I want to share with you my thoughts about this lotion that I recently buy. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Calm Healing Lotion. So I bought this for around $7 to $10 for 600 milliliter. I feel that this lotion is quite affordable, at least for most people. Anyway, the claim for this lotion is heals and restore dry skin without feeling greasy. So it doesn't have that much claim, it's just an ordinary body lotion. So anyway, this is how the texture looks. The texture is light and absorb easily. I really enjoy this kind of consistency, especially on sunny days, because it doesn't feel hot and it's not greasy. After a while, the lotion kind of absorb into your skin already. It has a little bit of smell, lavender smell, but it's not overly strong that it annoys my nose. So you need to kind of smell closely to be able to smell the lavender, but if you're from far away, you cannot really smell. So anyway, I really enjoy using the lotion. And also for Vaseline, what I like the most is their packaging, because the lotion comes with this kind of pump which prevents leaking. So if you're careless like me, this one can help a lot for my everyday life. So if I turn it like this, you cannot take out the lotion. You need to turn this and then take out the lotion. Anyway, this is how the texture looks. I'm going to show it to you again. This is how it looks. It blends quickly and absorb quite fast also, maybe around 1 or 2 minutes and your skin is already dry. I like the consistency a lot. Anyway, I think that's it for today. Overall, I'm really satisfied with the lotion. In the future, I do see myself repurchasing the lotion again, but maybe I will try other variation so I can make new video. But anyway, I hope the video is helpful and useful. I'll see you guys again in my next post. Bye bye.